Sometimes you'll see that a crack forms in the ice. Why this typically occurs is one of two reasons. Either you overfilled it or you did not allow it to freeze completely before refilling it again. Now never fear, when working with ice, this is easy to overcome. All you have to do is make sure that you do not pull out the hoses. So what you do is you loosen up the sides and then just slide them off. The great thing with the ice is you can always just add more water and fix any problems that may have occurred. What we're going to do, slide off the sides. Slide off the other side. And remove the back. Now this one turned out perfect, but for the demonstration reason, tried to create a crack here. Now this, however, did not crack all the way through. That gives you an idea of what we're going to try and fix. Take the unit, place it into a sink. Run some warm water over your crack area and even around the back down to the crack, or you can take your Allen wrench and create a channel that would carve down, or any screwdriver where you're going to allow water to get down to fill up that crack area. Or you can use hot warm water. So once you've got a little channel there and you've got the crack filled in, make sure that around the edges here you don't have any ice in there. So what that'll do is that'll prevent it from resealing. So once you've got it like that, now that the crack is fixed, take the back, reapply it, make sure all the seals fit in. Hear the click. Slide the sides back on. Snug them back down, because what we're going to do is we're going to re-add water in there and then put it back in the freezer. With a smaller crack like that, it shouldn't take more than half an hour to an hour in order to completely re-freeze itself due to the volume of ice already in there. So once we have it sealed on tight, snug them down tight, snug it down tight. Snug it down tight. Now you're completely resealed. Add a little cold water. What that's going to do, it's going to drain down to that crack area. And then you just take it and put it back in your freezer, let it sit for 20 minutes to an hour, and your crack will be completely fixed.